Hey friends, if Miracast is not working on Windows after an update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the device drivers. Search for device manager and open the device manager. Now, since the issue is with the network adapter drivers, so you can expand this. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi one and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. The next one is to ensure that a few services are running. And how do we do that? So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now search for the DNS client service. Right click on it and select start if it's not already running, but we don't really have access to it because if it's stopped, then the network will be stopped as well. Then function discovery resource publication if it exists. So function discovery resource publication, right click and start it. Next one is SSDP discovery. You will scroll down to SSDP discovery, right click and then restart. And last is UPnP device host. So UPnP device host, right click and start. And lastly, you can enable network discovery. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then select network and internet, select Wi-Fi, and then select the Wi-Fi network here. Now we have two options. One is public network and one is private network. Public network is very strict and your device is not discoverable on this network. So this is the most common problem because they select this one by default. Simply change it to private network. And this private network means that your device is discoverable, and now all computers linked to your network have access to your system. Not that they can access it without your permission, but they still can access it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please watch this, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.